Assalamu alaikum and welcome dear listeners. Today I want to talk to all the new bakers out there. Yes, you. The one who just getting started, the one who watches baking videos late at night, the one who dreams of perfect cakes but doubts herself at every step. Let me tell you something straight from the heart. Don't be afraid to start. Don't be afraid to mess up. Don't be afraid if your cake doesn't rise, or your cake curdles, or if your first cookie turn into bricks. You know what? That's how every baker begins. That's how I began too. There was a time when I didn't even know how to fold flour into a batter properly. I would burn cupcakes, forget sugar, panic when the frosting melted. But you know what kept me going? A small voice inside that whispered, "Try again, just once more." And so I did again and again. That's how growth happens, through messes, mistakes, and magic. You see, baking is not just about flour and sugar, it's about patience, love, and the courage to keep going. It teaches you to trust the process, to believe in something even before you can see the results. Every professional baker you admire today was once a beginner. Their hand trembled while piping. Their first ganache spilled. Their first customers gave honest, sometimes painful feedback, but they kept going. And now it's your turn. Don't wait for the perfect oven. Don't wait for the perfect recipe. Don't wait to become confident, because confidence comes after you begin, not before. So bake with whatever tools you have. Make that first attempt. Let it be imperfect, let it be simple, but let it be real. And when things go wrong, and they will, don't quit. Take a breath, wash the dishes, make a cup of chai, and remind yourself even a failed cake taught you something. Celebrate the little wins: when your dough rises, when someone smiles after tasting your brownies, when you see that first crackly cookie and think, "I did that." Because every time you choose to bake, you are not just making food, you are making progress. You are building a skill, you are creating memories, you are showing up for yourself. And that, dear friend, is what matters most. So today, I want you to promise one thing: not to be perfect, but to begin. Your baking journey is your alone. No comparisons. Go at your own pace. Learn, fall, rise. Keep your heart in your hands and your dreams in the oven. You have got this. I believe in you. And one day you will look back and smile, because you will remember this as the moment when it all began. Keep baking, keep growing, and never forget, your journey is beautiful. Allah Hafiz.